You can call me stupid. Listen, you can call me sheep. You can say I lazy. You can say I You think that using her would get to me.
Hey, let's get out of here.
Yes, we're boogieing down the road. We got a brand new episode that's starting right now.
Yeah, we just left Stovepipe Wells. We've been there a number of times and have had lunch, so it's great. But we need to show you Panamint Springs. You'll see kind of some really cool country as we get over there. And then beyond Panamint Springs, there's this great canyon that we're going to go up to this really tall scenic overlook. And I think it's going to be great with the snow out there too. It'll be a little different than maybe we've seen in the past.
Yeah, I mean, look at this road in front of us right now. It's an awesome two-lane. We're gradually going uphill. The bikes are thundering, and we're feeling good.
Yeah, and it's funny. I don't know if you can see the movement in the road, but you know, they get water coming across this, and so it just kind of built into the terrain here.
Yeah, I mean, nothing like the two-lane, nothing like the open road. I mean, every direction we head, it's always something really great to see, and I'm excited for this episode.
So listen, let's work our way to Olancha tonight, and then we'll figure out from there like where we're going to go, because between that turnoff where you head up into the canyon and Olancha out to the 395, there's that massive dune. We've gone through there when you couldn't even see me in front of you 10 feet because the sand was coming across so hard.
Yeah, windy, sandy, gnarly, but we're going to see a whole different view when we get into the Owens Valley. So
yeah, I think we can maybe get Gilbert to take a shot of that whole sand area. It could be pretty cool.
Yeah, and if you can see behind us, look at that valley. We're leaving Death Valley.
Yeah, so at Stovepipe we were like 21 feet below sea level, so we're now climbing out of this, you know. And I'll tell you where we're at. We're up to 753 feet, so within 2 miles we're already climbing out of this.
Nice.
Well, pretty cool.
Well, this is fun. All right, well,
take a look at the scenery, man.
Yeah, 1,000 feet here.
1,000 feet. Hey, that's our dude we saw the other day, not the other day, a couple hours ago, up Scotty's Road.
Yep. All right.
We'll see you down the road.
You got it.
I love that little canyon there.
That's an awesome canyon through there. Just amazing geology. It's just spectacular. I can't believe it.
Well, and it offers so much to you, to the rider and to the person that's riding in the car. And like, we came out from Stovepipe. We were below sea level. We got up to about almost 5,000 feet, and we're dropping back down to at sea level again, and we're just outside of Panamint Springs.
Right. Here's another sand wash through here.
And if I look to my left, I've got this purple, snow-capped, beautiful mountain. You got the wash, and you turn to your right, and the sun is shining and beaming on these other hillsides and making them white, and you can see all the colors, a dusting of snow. It's just spectacular.
Wasn't this full of water a couple years back?
Yeah, you and I took a picture right up here, and the water was up to the road.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, man.
Yeah, check it out. We should get out there and ride on that.
Yeah. I bet we'd sink in a little bit.
Maybe, but it would be fun. We could be like that. We saw a post where I think it was a bagger and a dyno were on something like that, and they were going through the sand. Pretty squirrely.
Yep. Well, this is almost like another sub-valley of Death Valley.
Yeah, pretty epic. Love the different structure and topography we go through, you know?
And then we're going to go up through that mountain pass up there.
Yeah.
Whole nother adventure in itself.
Yeah, and when we get up there and stop at the overlook, we need to talk about that. We've seen the jet come through. Once we were headed down, if we turn left up here, we'd head down to Ridgecrest.
Yes.
And we saw him jetting, just cruising down here.
Yeah.
And then we saw him up in the mountain as well. That was pretty cool, going through the canyon.
And we've turned left up here and gone home through the valley that way.
Yeah, that's down to Ridgecrest. But we're gonna go out through Panamint. So let's hook up there.
All right. Fun ride, man.
See you at Panamint.
Yep.
Down the road. So here we are, we're jumping into Panamint Springs. This is not like a 5 square mile city block. This is the desert, my friends.
Yes, here it is, Panamint Springs.
There's a campground over to the right. Oh, there's a Harley over there.
Yes, yes.
This is Panamint here, the general store.
And it looks closed down.
And this is where, ironically, a year ago, Lance and I had a burger and we kicked off our first 2-lane life vlog. I'm shedding a tear.
Right, watch out for this Jeep.
Oh, and look how blessed we are to have young Josh.
Do you want to walk around here? No, I guess not.
We can. Wow.
1 year ago.
What a difference a year makes.
I mean, seriously, a year ago we were here, right?
Right.
We had lunch at this table right here.
We walked in, we didn't even know how to walk in. And we sat at this table, we had a burger.
And right here, this rock, that means you cannot come in here. The rock.
So, really? Is that what?
We actually sat here.
And we had some soup.
Let's sit here.
And it was very good soup, but kind of brings a tear to my eye.
I mean, it's kind of like a little annual anniversary here.
Yeah, so we had iPhones.
We had iPhones.
And I think you had the new one and I had the old one, and it was shaky. And
we didn't know.
We have Gilbert and Josh.
And we didn't even know Josh.
And Sony. He is very good, Sony.
So we didn't even know Josh.
No.
We're here. We're thinking, what are we going to do? We're looking out over this vast valley. We're eating a burger, and we're like, wow, we're going into Death Valley.
And the cool thing is, through this shot here, if we were to circle around, but today we got the flag.
Yeah.
We've got snow-capped mountains. They're dusted over there. They're not quite as heavy. And we've got this beautiful mountain range with all the different colors through it. It's amazing.
It's amazing. It's been a,
Jinx, 1, 2, 3. But I think you look at like the differences in the mountain. So that's years.
Oh yeah.
Of compression and water and just
earthquakes,
wind,
and
just all of it. It's just spectacular.
So Death Valley is an amazing place, and we're kind of out of it now.
Yeah.
Panamint Springs.
Panamint's just outside of it, but what a great ride down here, right?
Yeah.
Coming out of the canyon and down, big long stretch of straight road.
And I noticed there's some tents and camping over there. We should walk over there and take a look at those.
Yeah, behind this building, I think there's 20 cabins that you can rent, but yeah, there's a whole campground, and you've got some canvas tents that are set up that you can rent.
That'd be interesting to stay in one of those one night. Huh. Should we check out the cabins back there? Let's check out those. All right, let's go to the tents.
Could we get you to stay in a tent?
You never know.
First of all, I also want to just say this. We're proud of you.
They made me a deputy today.
You made him a deputy today.
I mean, how about that?
I'm the Sheriff Pat Garrett. Josh is Billy the Kid. And we just anointed you
deputy. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but something.
Let's go check the tents out.
Yeah, let's check it out. So that's pretty cool.
Hey, I see Sea Bear.
He's got a drink in his hand, too.
Jeff, what's up, dude?
Look at the snow.
Watch out, here comes another car.
So, this is interesting. I've never seen this. There's these tents here. Picnic benches and tents.
Yeah. You can rent these.
Really?
That guy, I just saw him carry a duffel bag out, and he came out of a Lance camper. I'm not so sure what's in the duffel.
I mean, I'd like to take a peek in one of these.
Well, go for it.
I don't know. I mean, is it someone's place?
No, I don't think so.
Huh.
I mean, that one maybe. There's a washcloth and that over there, but...
Anybody home?
Since you're deputized, this is not breaking and entering, is it?
So
oh, look at the cots. Pretty simple. Yeah, it looks like there's about 20 of these things.
I could do that, for sure.
No way.
Yeah. Well, this is interesting.
That remains to be seen.
Definitely interesting. Didn't know this was here. Glad we walked across the street to see this. So.
Yeah, I think our next shot is we're gonna take this beautiful canyon up here, get to that overlook, and we're gonna blow his mind. Just climbing out of Panamint Springs. We're at 3,000 feet. We're at 57 degrees and the boys are traveling. This is a beautiful canyon through here. Time of day right now. The sun is being covered with some clouds. Got a few little rainbows circle around the sun. We got a highway patrol. We got snow-capped mountains up over here. We're heading towards the Sierra Nevada in the Owens Valley. Digging it. I'm gonna get up right here with these guys. So guys, we're about to drop into the Owen Valley, see the snow-packed mountains. We'll drop into Olancha. We'll be down at about 4,000 feet. There's going to be this big sand dune as we come around the bend and through the canyon down here. We'll hang a left and then there's this big dune. Pretty cool stuff. Stop in Olancha, top off with gas. If we were to head north, that would take you up to Lone Pine, Big Pine, Bishop, Mammoth area, all the way up to 395, up into Tahoe, Carson City, that area. So, but we will probably end up heading south down through Mojave and towards the home front. But we'll update you guys when we get to Olancha.
So what elevation are we here, Galen?
We are at 4,500 feet.
Got a lot of snow coverage this year. This is awesome.
So we'll drop down to about 4,000 feet. But just a nice run today. Very crisp, nice and cool. Little grub in our belly from Stovepipe Wells, and just enjoying the day.
We are standing out on the 395 in the Owens Valley, just outside of Olancha. What a great series this has been, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I mean, we took you up through Boulder, took you into Beatty, Death Valley for a couple days. Now we came out to Olancha, and we're gonna head home. Epic run. We had heat, we had cold, we had snow, we had rain. We're in these monkey suits here that, you know, we're all bundled up and warm.
They actually work pretty good because they're quilted inside,
They
so
do.
it's like we're in a big blanket.
Yeah.
So that's how, you know, when it's 30 degrees and you're riding at night, this feels really good.
Yeah, pretty nice.
And you can't see what we look like, so what do we care, right?
Well, I look pretty svelte.
You
know,
do.
I'm like a super guy here.
I'm a little baggy in here, you know, but
But hey, thank you guys for following. Subscribe, hit the bell, comment. Go to our website, twolanelife.com, and get to our newsletter. We do a lot of communication through that. Check out our lives, Monday on Instagram, Friday on YouTube.
and we do have some more series headed your way, so stay tuned, always stay tuned, and we'll see you down the road.